Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and it's Rush from More Reviews. So yes, we're at the Manley International Airport. Recently did a video on the Sangsters International Airport. Some persons wanted, you know, to see this one as well. So that's what we're doing today. If you're new to the channel, guys, definitely subscribe. We're trying to get to 6,000 subscribers before September 1st. So definitely subscribe and join the Russia More Reviews family. So once that subscribe button is still red, just turn it gray. Remember to leave a comment, guys, in terms of what you think about this airport. And we did ask persons to compare Donald Sangster along with this one, Manley. So definitely share your experiences, guys, and let me know which one you prefer, which one you think is better, which one you think is more first world, which one you prefer to travel through. So I do like this big sign in front of us though, Manley International Airport. You can't miss it. A few persons have also said that this one has a better exterior, while Sangsters have a better interior in terms of facilities inside and amenities and looks. But let me know what you think, guys. Share your thoughts and let me know. So we have some persons, this is the departure. Some persons flying out despite COVID, you know. Travel has to go on, work has to go on. So we have some persons flying out. So this is the departure area. And then down more is the arrivals. I'm just gonna drive around the airport, and then I get a few shots inside. I know inside without a doubt maybe a bit empty, but I'll just show you guys around nevertheless. Alright guys, so the Manley International Airport. A few shops out here. Did they sell food? And some other shops on the outside. Right here is now the arrival. So this is the pickup area. And then the police post in front of us. So this is the Palisades Circle. This is what this roundabout is called. And there was a time when all these flag poles had on flags for all the different countries, the different Caribbean countries as well. Haven't seen that in a long while. Don't think they put flags on these flag poles anymore. Alright, so we're going back around to the departure and arrival. I'm gonna take a quick walk inside, just show you guys a glimpse. But again, leave your comment, guys, let me know what you guys think about this airport, likes, the dislikes. I know this Sangsters International Airport will soon undergo a renovation along expansion. It will be an expansion and renovation. I think they'll also lengthen the runway down in Mobi as well. So share your thoughts on that, guys. Let me know. We're gonna try and take a quick look inside. Alright guys, so a bit empty due to COVID. So not a lot of passengers. Wow, that tree is shaped like a plane. First I'm seeing it. I've passed it so many times, never seen it before. So the tree is cut like a plane. So this is the arrival area. Coconut stand over there going nuts. Alright guys, there you had it. Just show you guys some clips of inside. Not much activity because of COVID, you know, not a lot of persons traveling. So inside is basically empty. But persons are still in and out the country because, you know, life has to go on, commerce has to go on. So just showed you guys inside, just making one final drive past. And then we're finished with this video. The Norman Manley International Airport. And again, remember to leave your comments in terms of the comparison with the Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay. Right now we're in Kingston. So as I realize the arrival is empty, I guess there's no plane in right now. I know that, you know, in terms when we look at a property, when we do a review, we also check out their parking facility. Yes, they have a lot of parking, but I know we can all agree, if you know, they built like a multi-level parking, probably 5 floors, 6 floors, then they could have had some of these parking space to do other things. So that's what we see happening with a lot of first world development, a lot of first world development, as I said, where they turn the parking into multi-level, so that in terms of the physical land space, they can do more stuff. So it's a suggestion, because this airport will be here for decades. This airport will be here for generations. So strategic moves like that will make a difference. You know, all these parking on the outside, you know, put them into one, and then you have more space for other commercial activity, other commercial development as well. So something to look into, something to think about. Alright, so thanks for watching thus far, guys. The Norman Manley International Airport. Just did a drive-through and a walk-through as well. And then this is the exit. I think I love the entrance and the exit as well. Very looks nice. You know, dual lanes on both sides. Good landscaping. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and see you on another epic Raymore review video.